From the first day when I see your face, my heart on the beat like drum for bass. Now only you forgive me, please.
Yeah, I know. Is there anyone that got 30 figured out? Who has 30 figured out? Because I don't have shit figured out. I just turned 30 and everyone is ghosting me after a date. Yeah. Exactly, you're right. It's not my fault. They are bad people. They should not be trusted. I'm the good one. I'm 30, unreasonable, unaccomplished. I'm literally worthless. Ah, damn.
Are you fine?
Just...
Come. Are you good? Come, get up.
Okay, oh, yeah.
Hey, where are your slippers?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah. Why do you look so hot?
God. Oh, woman.
Yeah, I forgot my partner.
Oh, God, you are drunk, clearly.
Mm.
And please, what are you doing here? You need to go home.
Why do you look like a prince? Are you a prince?
But what have I gotten myself into? I hope I don't end up on the list for kidnapping. Wait, woman.
Are you even real? Can you touch your nose?
Woman,
touch your
you are
nose.
clearly drunk. Where is your address, please? You need to go home. This place is
I
not
think
safe.
the first thing is to ask for my name, and it's Alina.
Elena, whatever. Woman, where is your address, please? You can't be here.
Why are you so rude? Are you 30? Are you frustrated? Too? No, you look pretty young to me.
Woman, you need to go inside.
Oh, okay, wait. My address is...
Yeah, where do you stay, please?
It's at Wood Lodge Extension.
Wood Lodge, house number what, please? Wood Lodge, that's 2 streets down this place.
Chevron Drive.
Madam, Wood Lodge is large. House number what, please?
House number U.
Oh God, what have I
House
gotten myself
number
into?
U.
What's your house number, please?
House number U, I already said it.
I hope nobody finds out. God, please. House number what, madam?
Oh, I mean, number 2. Number 2. Yeah. Why are you so hard, though?
Woman,
take it easy. Yeah, I'm going home. I'm going.
Hey, woman, you need to go home, please. Let's go home, please. It's not safe for you here. Madam, can you stop, please?
I know this. Why do you look like a prince? Are you a prince?
Oh God.
Are you a prince?
Hey. I'm an actor, okay?
Ooh, actor. I know Bollywood, all the woods. What wood do you belong to?
Nigerian movies.
No. And what?
Movies,
okay,
drama.
Yeah. Nigeria.
Name it.
Oh my God! Please don't tell me you belong to Nollywood.
Madam,
because I don't fuck with them.
Oh
I don't watch no.
Madam, you are clearly drunk. Okay, you need to go home.
I promise you. This is just my partner.
You need to go home. sorry. Hey, easy. Easy. And stop drinking that.
All right,
stop.
that's.
No. Here.
Yeah.
Woman.
I'm sorry. I'm just 30. I'm not so old.
Finally, a woman in Lagos that doesn't know me. Thank God.
Oh, my head.
Good morning.
Jesus! Who are you?
Relax.
Why are you tied up? What am I doing in your bed? Who are you? Wait. Did we?
You just tied me on your bed and you kissed me. You were all over me. Yes.
I kissed you. Huh? Jesus, I slept with a boy. I slept with a child. I need holy water.
Madam.
I need
I am 25 years old, okay? I don't look that young. I'm not a child.
You're not a child. You are 30. What have I done? What have I done? Why are you tied up?
You tied me up.
I tied you up?
Yes.
How? God, what in the name of 50 shades of nonsense is going on here? I tied you up. How?
I don't know. This is why I don't like helping strangers on the road.
God.
Especially in the midnight.
Oh, you're crazy. You are... Who's that?
I don't know.
Your neighbors? Did you call the police on me?
Relax, madam. This is your house. Look around. This is your house.
Okay, yeah, this is my house. So, you know what? Stay here. Don't breathe.
Am I supposed to remain like this?
Shut up. Just stay here. Don't say anything, okay?
Okay. Oh, God.
Birthday girl! Alina! Come here. The latest... What happened?
Who's that now?
Calm down now. Happy 30th, my love. What's happening?
I beg. What is this? Why are you shouting?
Wait, did you forget it's your birthday or what? My love, let's celebrate. It's your 30th birthday today.
See, this is not the right time to be 30. I don't want to be 30 today. Maybe some other time. I beg. Just, can you stop?
Calm down. We're going out today. Just you and I, movie date.
Movie what?
Movie date.
I beg, I'm not interested.
See, calm down. Jesse Williams just dropped a movie in cinema.
What is my business with Jason? Whatever you just mentioned. Can you... Ah, good. See, I beg. Bring your voice down. Or even go back to... Just, I beg, just bring your voice down. Stop screaming 30-30 now.
It's like you don't know what I'm talking about. Jesse Williams. You don't know... Oh, God, my crush. Calm down, let me show you. Okay. See him now. See, what this guy is smoking out. See. Let's go and see the movie now. What?
This is Jason Williams?
Yes. Just look at his eyes. How? Oh, let's go.
Anita, I beg. I'm begging you in the name of God, in whoever you worship, please, can you go back to wherever you're coming from? Just go back. I will call you. I beg. You can come back. No. Anita, I beg. I beg. I will call you. I will call you. Come back in like that. Okay, you can keep the cake. Just go. Oh yeah. And please stop screaming 30. No, there's no problem. Just please, I beg. I will call you. I'll call you. I love you. Thank you. Hey. What have I done? Oh my God.
Hey, is everything okay?
You are Jason freaking Williams?
Yes, that's me. That's what I was trying to tell you before you started accusing me of things
Why
I
are
didn't
you
do.
famous and tied up in my bed?
I don't know too. I don't know.
Oh my God, this is crazy. It's my 30th birthday. I should be relaxing somewhere. Maybe in the spa with cucumbers in my eyes, not releasing hostages.
How about we kickstart your birthday celebration by untying me first?
Don't do that. Don't use your movie voice on me. I'm mad already, okay?
Just untie me first.
Why is this even hard? How did I... Sorry.
At least it's holding on better than I am right now. And by the way, you are very gorgeous.
Shut your mouth. Do you want me to untie you?
Sorry, untie me.
Good.
Hey, easy.
Get dressed and leave my house.
Freedom.
God. with a child. A stranger. This is insane. This is insane. This is insane. This is insane.
Do you talk to yourself now?
Can you not creep? Jesus. Why are you sneaking up on me?
Why not? After you tied me up to your bed?
What are you still doing here?
What are you expecting me to do? Crawl out of the bondage you put me in?
Can you not say it like that?
Anyways, it was an amazing experience. Pleasurable one at that.
Wow.
Thank you.
Indeed, he's a child. I really slept with a child.
First things first, madam. I am not a child. I'm 25 years old. I'm a full-grown adult who pays tax.
Wow. Well, for your information, I am 30. Old enough to be your big sister.
And who says I can't be with someone old enough to be my big sister?
Is that flirting and sensing? Please, can you just go? I'm traumatized already. Just go.
Madam, you need to relax. We didn't have sex, okay?
We didn't?
No, we didn't have sex.
So how come you were tied to my bed?
Funny story. Madam, it's your room, right? Here. Come. Come here. I'm just gonna talk you in bed. Madam, what are you doing? Hey, madam.
Damn, you smell like sweet trouble.
God, what the hell is this?
Stop!
What are you doing?
Damn, I love your lips. You're so pink.
What have I gotten myself into? What?
How about we have a one-night stand?
What?
Just me, you, and your cute lips.
Madam, can you stop all of this?
You're gonna like it, okay?
What? Hey. Madam, what's this? Hey, easy. Oh, God.
It won't hurt, I promise. It's not gonna hurt. Wow. This is messed up. I am so sorry. So you mean I tied you up and I assaulted you and slept off?
Literally, I'm your hostage, madam. And I deserve therapy.
I'm sorry,
It's not that bad. At least you didn't pee on the bed. Have a nice day.
Wow. At least I didn't pee on the bed. Stupid. Law firms. I'm looking for junior associates in Lagos.
Wicked girl.
You finally decided to come back.
I stayed outside for 5 hours, roaming around like a lost cat. Do you know when people talk to me?
Hey, maybe because they think you're one of them now. Look at yourself. What if I told you not to come back? Why did you come back? You were not knocking like a responsible housemate, so...
Oh, I should knock on the own door.
Are you savvy?
No problem.
Guy, honestly, I'm looking for a job.
Eh?
I need a job. This house rent will soon expire and we need to pay. See, if I don't get any job now, you'll be the one to pay, and I'm not even moving out.
Oh, this girl, are you okay? Did you eat your head on the best spot last night?
What do you mean?
You have a job.
What job? Girl, the law firm I interned with last year, they're not recruiting people. And this is my part-time job, eh? You know, so the salary no plenty. It's basically for rice and chicken. And I just need something stable.
Good luck to that. See, my legs are tired from moving around like I'm over with no trip. Please, I need to go and sleep. When it's time for food, shall call me. Oh.
Wait, you're really going? Do you know you're a bad friend? Maybe you're supposed to be helping me look for a job.
I'm not your mother, 30-year-old woman.
Wow. Wow, we just had to say it, Abby. For your mind, now you be small picking. See 28, see 29, see 30. I give you 2 years. I go just one decent firm, I beg. I'm tired.
Mommy.
Ah, this woman. Oh, mommy, don't sunshine me, please. I'm still sleeping. Mom, can I just have a day off? Ah. Mom, I went out for a drink. Okay, Mom, I want to sleep. Oh, God. No. Yeah, bro, I'm serious. You need to find me a new manager. ASAP. I don't care if it's Beyonce's ex-agent, just find me someone. I'm not joking, I'm firing my mother. Yes, my own mother. You want to know why? That's because this woman would not let me rest, for God's sake. She knocks my door every morning like she's about to catch me watching cartoons. Who does that? Bro, I'm supposed to be living my best life right now. Private jets, wild nights, red carpets, but no. I have a 50-year-old woman who's telling me to moisturize every morning and sit up straight at interviews. Who does that? Bro, just get me someone. Just get me someone. I want professionalism. Yeah, don't get me someone that will be sending me morning devotion before I go on set. I'll be out soon, and I don't know. You can call me in 30 minutes with options, please. And I want to beg you. Do not tell my mom about this. If you still need me alive. All right. See you, bro.
Jason, come. I said, come. I just want to check your outfit. Come on. Don't talk as if there's any other thing. Look at how this rope is hanging here.
Mom, I'm late. I'm late.
Nah, it's okay. Make sure I need you to appear very, very perfect. So, that's your 1 o'clock interview. When you get there, keep your answers short and charming. All right? And make sure you don't go there quivering like a nervous pageant queen who doesn't know what to say.
Mommy, you must really think I'm a child.
Also, remember to call your stylist for the evening event, okay?
Yes, Mom.
And I hope you have sacked that former PA of yours.
Oh, God. Mom, you insisted. I have sacked her. Are you satisfied? Someone that was good at her job. I've sacked her.
Oh, nonsense. Good at her job. I don't want all those female around you. Before you know it, they will start putting spells in your colon and calling you baby. You need to focus.
Mommy, you must think I'm a child. I'm 25.
Well, you are still my child, and I still see you as a child. And it's okay because you are my child, all right?
Mommy, can I go?
Do you know how many crusades I went to? Fasting and prayers, programs here and there. For you, don't forget that, okay? So stay focused. Just look at handsome, so clean, cream boy. Too much one. You should have cleaned your glasses. I can see a little
Mommy,
dust.
can I go?
Okay.
Wow.
Go make mama proud. Go on. Ciao. This boy.
Well, having fully recovered from my 5-hour exam, what were you saying about looking for a job? Elena.
Look, I'm not talking to you. See, you're a bad friend. You're a very bad friend. And you know it. That's why you're laughing. You're a bad friend.
And you've already started the 30th celebration without me, Abby. You're eating my cake.
Come and carry it.
Oh yeah? Who's worse? The girl who locked her friend for 5 solid hours outside, or the one who's trying to recover from this said exam with sleep and self-care?
It is that friend, that very wicked friend, that locked her door and slept without feeling guilty. You.
I beg. But you say, why did you chase me out like that? Eh?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I was cleaning. Yeah, I was cleaning. Yeah,
Cleaning. You. Cleaning. Okay, not that I believe, Sha, but it's fine.
I was cleaning.
I bet you. So, there's this job offer. Yeah, it's not a lawyer job.
Hey, I can't do anything. What are you saying? When is the interview?
Calm down. It pays 3 times your current salary.
And you the talk and small. Open mouth talk when? When is the interview?
It's not a big job, oh.
Hey, God, I beg. Wait, a job that you just said pays 3 times my current job. What are you saying? Share updates. Give me the address. When is the interview? I need it. See, I can do anything right now. I'm very desperate for a job. Anything, as long as it's not killing somebody or illegal, I will do it. Even if it means me fetching water with my degree. Girl, wake me up 2 a.m. I will do it. I'm that desperate, I beg.
Calm down, you never reached that. I'll send you the details now.
I beg, just send.
Ah, babe. Wait, the interview is today and it's by 3 p.m. Shit.
I'm just saying, oh no, what are you saying?
I'm sorry, I was fast asleep when the mail came. So
See, I will make it. I shall make it. Send me the address. I will make it, please. Where is the place? Let me go and freshen up. I will make it. Oh. Which one is you will not make it?
Wow.
Share me the address, Jare. I'm coming.
That's
Share me the address.
I
Thank you.
met you. Ah. This guy is serious, oh. Okay, let me send it. I've sent it! My God.
Which kind of wahala be this one now? Oh God, where are you now? I've been standing here and I'm wearing heels. I told you I'm around Christ Embassy. Stop telling me that thing now. That's what you've been saying since. I've been standing here. Please just be coming, I beg. What kind of stupid thing is this? This is how people will just meet life-changing opportunities. Anita, can you believe that stupid man is not here yet?
Calm down now. Just give him 2 more minutes.
Which you get 2 more minutes? Where do I have the 2 more minutes? I don't have it now. You know how much I don't like going late for an interview.
It's not a proper office interview, Jerry. The address is the house.
Huh? His what? His house. Like the proper house, residential?
Yes, now. Some of these startups are like that. Don't worry, it's safe.
Anita may not be saying they sell me to ritualists though. I beg.
Relax. It's not ritualist. My friend told me about the job.
Okay, no one. I trust you, but I'm 30 but not brainless. I beg. Wait, this one. Shame me, I for just trek now. What kind of stupid thing is this one?
You want to replace me? You want to replace me? So this is what this is all about. You want to replace your mother?
Mom, can we not do this?
We have to do this. We must do this. All right? We must do this now. Okay? I have handled your schedules, negotiated your contracts, wiped your tears when a script doesn't go well. I have handled your fans. I have fixed your scandals. And now you want to replace me and throw me away like yesterday's laundry?
Mommy, you need to calm down. You need to relax. I know what I'm doing. Okay, I know I've not told you this in a long while, but I'm saying it to you. You are one very sweet mother. In fact, you are the template for all mothers to follow. You've worked yourself how many years now just for me? Mommy, I just want you to take a back seat. Just relax. Let me handle things. The truth is, I just want you to rest. You're working too hard. As a matter of fact, this moment, right now, I want you to pick a country of your choice. Just go on a vacation, all of me. Yeah, Maldives, Spain, Greece, name it. I'll pay. I just want you to relax. Just relax. It's not too much to ask for. Eh, Mommy?
Okay. That's my sweet, handsome, superstar son who knows exactly how to sweet talk and calm his mother down. So, it's all right. Okay. I will calm down. I will take a back seat. I will even resign if you want to, but only on one condition.
Mommy, can't you just accept in peace? Which condition again?
Accept in peace?
Must it come with condition? Okay,
yes.
Okay, fine. What's the condition?
The condition is I will still be managing your finances. I am not going to sit back and allow one Gen Z boy managing your finances. Okay? Because I have worked from your career that I built from the scratch. So, I am not going to take a back step concerning your finances. All right?
Okay, if that's what you want, fair deal. Anyways,
okay.
Where are the managerial candidates?
Well, the ones that came, I sent all of them away. Every one of them.
Why, mommy?
Because they all look like chewing gum girls. I would prefer a male instead. Because I don't want any TikTok celebrity, all these fashion bloggers, all these babes that are crazy that want to become celebrities overnight, who will go and carry your matter and be writing all over the internet because they want to be the celebrity. I am not going to take that. I don't want that. I've worked too hard for you to be where you are today, so I am not going to take that. I will look for a manager for you myself.
Mommy, you amaze me sometimes. Though. People came for an interview. You sent them away. You didn't even interview them.
They didn't match. Their look alone didn't match. I didn't want any chewing gum girls. Are you not listening?
Honest with you.
Yes, ma'am, of course.
I don't want somebody who is obsessed with becoming a celebrity. I want somebody mature, grounded, structured, respectful. I want somebody who will manage my son, not flirting with him. Because he is not as put together as he looks on the screen.
Can I say something?
Yes.
Okay, Ma, to be very honest, I am not interested in fame. I just want to work and earn a living. I'm not interested in fame.
Okay.
Right now, I might be desperate for a job, but I take pride in my principles. I don't mix business with nonsense.
I like you already.
Thank you very much, Ma.
So, let me get your boss.
My boss...
Technically.
Ma, I'm sorry, I thought I would be working with you.
Oh no, you're not working for me directly. Oh, here he is. Come here, son. So,
This is the gorgeous Elena who has actually just passed the interview to be your manager. This is your boss, Mr. Jason.
Nice to
Nice to
meet
meet you.
you. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Mom, Mom, don't you think she's a little too old? I think she's too mature for the role.
It's okay. She is very, very perfect for the job. She is mature. She's not desperate to become a celebrity. She is going to be, you see, she's mature.
That's
so
okay.
she will be able to, take care of you.
Okay, if you say so, then okay. That's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
So that's your boss, all right? That's who you'll be working with. Yeah. You okay? Do you want the job or you don't want the job?
No, perfect. I want the job, Ma.
Yeah, bro, that's what's going on. Do you know my mom fired my PA, fired my cook? See, you are going to call the agent you used for your second house, right? I need this woman out of this place. Yeah, I need my space. I need to be free, bro. Yeah. I'll call you back. 1 minute. Yes, come in. You're still here?
Yes, I am. And please, may I know why you addressed me as old in front of your mother?
Would you prefer me telling her the truth? Would you prefer me telling her you kissed me and tied me to your bed all night?
Jason, this is not fair.
What is not fair is the fact that you are acting offended. I literally just saved your ass.
Language,
Hey,
please.
excuse me, I'm not done talking. I saved your ass. If my mom had sniffed a bit of what went down, if she had an idea of what happened, you would have been Fired before you were even hired.
Language, please. Thank you.
Here we go. You want to play the mother role. That role has been filled up already. As a matter of fact, I'm about to fire her.
You have a shoot. You have a brand shoot by 5 p.m. So you should start getting ready.
I'm not leaving this house until I eat.
And how is that my business? The last I remember, I am not your cook and certainly not your personal assistant. I'm just filling in until your mother finds someone suitable for this post.
About that, she's not searching.
What do you mean by she's not searching?
It's my mother's game to control everything. Yeah, she sent every single person away. Everyone like you that came to look for a job. She sent them away. I guess she just didn't send you away because she thinks I won't fall for you or you won't fall for me. That's why you're here. I ordered food. When it comes, we will eat and we will go.
I don't understand. What do you mean by we?
Two of us.
I don't understand. I'm not going anywhere with you. I can't go to set with you and... I didn't know I'm supposed to start work today.
Congratulations, my love. Consider this as your first day of work. As a matter of fact, I'm paying you 3 times your previous salary, so that justifies it.
Wow. You just have to rub it in. And who told you what I was being paid in my previous job?
So a woman ties me to the bed, kisses me all night, passionately, and you think I won't do some background check? You're joking.
Please, spare me this stupid story. It's enough. It's becoming really boring. It's a moment. A very tiny, stupid, regrettable moment. Can you drop it already, please?
I promise I won't. I won't talk about the...
Thank you.
I won't talk about the kiss. I won't talk about the fact that you tied me to the bed. I won't talk about the fact that it was passionate. I won't talk about the tiny, little, stupid, regrettable moments.
You know, you're very impossible. Please get ready.
I am not leaving this place until I eat. I'm serious. Can I have your seat?
I'll wait downstairs.
Hey. Are you good? Are you sure?
Yes, I'm good.
Have you eaten?
Jason, I said I'm fine.
If you're not okay here, you can go to the car, turn on the AC and relax there. I mean, I can manage here.
I'm okay, thank you.
At least you give me water.
Oh, so sorry about that.
What's wrong? Something's wrong.
Here you are.
Hi. Hey.
Hi. Oh, Jason. I see you got yourself a new PA. But this one looks older.
Point of correction. Karen, this is my manager, Elena. Okay? She's not my PA. And please talk to her with some level of respect because she's older than you.
Did you just say manager?
Yes, you heard me.
So what about your mom?
My mom is retiring to focus on other things.
I see.
All right, get ready. We'll start the next session in 5.
Oh, sorry, Auntie. I have to go with Jason now. Let's go. Okay.
It's Elena. Elena, that's the name.
Wait, Elena. Did you say you're working for Jesse Williams, like the Jesse Williams?
I already told you now, yes. The Nollywood actor, Jason Williams.
Oh my God. Elena, you're working for my husband and you're talking as if it's NEPA official you're talking about.
I already told you I had a very long, stressful day. And guess who is responsible for that? Your husband.
Elena, look at me now. Oh yeah, just me. How does it look? Is it finer in real life? Is it tall? How does it smell?
He smells like an arrogant shit. Well, he's tall and handsome, unfortunately.
Okay, you're living my life. Do you know how many times I zoom into his picture just to see his jawline?
Are you even normal? Because no normal human being would do that. It's because you're not normal. You're not normal. You need prayers. You need deliverance.
I beg, you know that one. Do you have access to his bedroom, his dressing room?
Anita, what's he rich so?
I don't understand. Say, why your body they pepper you like this? What's happen?
You go far. I swear. So all these things I've been saying, you know, hear him. You know this guy's mom. That woman is very mean. Like very bold and mean. Guess what? She fired everybody. The chef, the gardener, the personal assistant. And guess who stepped in as a manager and as a PA? Moi. So you see why I'm tired? I beg. Let me rest, yeah?
I don't understand. Why did she fire everybody like that?
Because she said, she's too young. I don't want anybody to distract my son. And you know those young people. I don't want anybody seducing my son. I don't want any young person.
Wait. So she's screening her staff from protection since. That woman is a whole K-drama villain.
Never see. And guess what she told me? She said, at least you're older, so you can handle him better because you're older. Girl, as if I'm 60. Girl, I'm just 30.
Right. How old is he again?
That is 25.
And you're 30. That's not old. That's premium, babe.
You did, Chris. Anita, that boy is a child. He is a child, a rich, repulsive, arrogant child.
A child with a cute face and
And
teeth.
girlfriend. Yeah, I saw that one today on set. That fake lashes and fake smile.
So you saw Karen? That's walking Instagram Peter.
And the bitch called me old. You mean so make I just slap that contour off her face, I swear. But then I need this job. So, I was calm.
But still, babe. I'm living my life for... Who does not want to stay close to Jesse?
Me. I don't want to.
Can I follow you to work tomorrow?
And get me fired? No. See, if that woman sees you around her son, with this your Maza Queen behavior, she will unalive you. Literally. They play.
It's not like I'm going to touch him. I just want to breathe the same air with him.
Are you that obsessed? Sit down. See, we have enough air here. Breathe. Use your mouth, your nose, everywhere. Breathe. Because you're not going to work with me.
Oh yeah, okay. Selfie, autograph, or maybe used fork, anything at all now.
You know what? I think I will record the next time he calls me old. And I will send it to you so you can use it as your ringtone. How about that?
Alina, please now, just... Okay.
Bigger. What's your problem now, Shu? Leave me. Leave me. Let me come and allow you now. Enjoy the space by yourself.
God, your man is put you for one better place now. You don't come for me. Oh, Jesse.
You guys are crazy. You need Jesus.
Selfie.
The beekeeper. Who's knocking by this time of the day? I'm coming.
Hey there.
What are you doing here by this time?
So I was thinking, since your mom moved out, maybe I could move in, you know.
Karen, we are not dating anymore. And you know how much I want my space.
Come on, Jay. I mean, we were good together. You said that yourself. And besides, this apartment is way too big for just one man.
One man who enjoys his space and peace.
Well, it's late. And I can't drive at this time. You wouldn't let a lady walk down the street, would you?
You're not just any lady, Karen. Don't you understand? You're not just any lady. You are dangerous. You're not good for me.
It still doesn't change the fact that I look good in your apartment.
Hey, stop this. Karen, I need you to understand something. Okay? What happened between us is over. It was good, it was fun. Hey, it was good, it was fun, it was messy. There were the good times. But I need you to understand something. Once it's over, it never happened. Okay? I am not open to having a roommate with benefits.
Come on. Who said anything about friends with benefits? I mean, I just want to get close to you again. You know, clean for you, cook for you.
Stop it. Hold it. That is the same thing you said the last time. And then before I knew it, you took my credit card. What did you do with it? You booked the trip to Zanzibar, all in the name of girls' trip.
That was because you said I deserve a vacation.
I was being sarcastic.
Ouch.
You don't deserve one.
Ouch. Ouch.
I understand it's late at night. You can stay on the couch. I don't want you in my bedroom.
The couch?
No assumptions. You are staying on this couch. Did you hear me? And first thing tomorrow, you leave this place. Are we good?
Really? Why is he being so mean to me? I love you though. And I'm coming! Whether you like it or not, I'm coming. Soon, I'll be the owner of this apartment. I'm coming.
Good morning.
Hello, Auntie. What are you doing?
It's Elena Craig. My name.
Okay, Miss Elena, Greg. So what are you doing here by this time of the day? I mean, it's still early.
I'm here because Jason needs me. So you will excuse me. Oh.
Elena,
Good morning.
good morning. You are very late.
Oh. Lagos traffic.
Why is she even here by this time?
Hi. None of your business. I called her here because I needed her.
Need her for what?
I said none of your business. So you go upstairs right now, remove my clothes, and go home. I told you last night, go home. I said go home. Go.
I don't know if I should excuse you guys.
No. That's fine.
You look like you didn't have enough sleep last night.
Oh, about that, yes, I didn't. I was working and I was thinking about you, how you tied me to your bed, and
Oh, please, what's today's schedule?
I see. You're the boss, right? You should know.
Right. So you have an endorsement due to sign by 10 sharp.
Hey! I can't find my clothes or underwear.
Oh, God.
I think I should go.
No.
Excuse you guys.
No, stay back, please. Don't let her throw you off. And Elena, I promise you, nothing happened. I didn't sleep with her. She came in last night. She said,
Why are you explaining? It's none of my business.
guess it's because I like you. Yeah, I have feelings for you.
You like me?
Yeah.
Justin, what nonsense is this? How old are you? You know I'm way older than you, right?
Jason, you're just a child. A child with a crush, and I am not indulging it.
And what are you? A woman who is pretending because I didn't come in a preferred package, right? I hope you know you can't pretend for long. We'll leave in 10 minutes.
From the first day when I see your face, my heart on the beat like drum for bass. You did make my body cool like breeze. Now only you forgive me, peace. Every time I
We've been waiting for these people to call us to come and shoot. And I observed your phone has been ringing. You've not been picking. Why?
Maybe I don't want to pick.
Madam, you are single. Yeah? You should pick. It's not hard to handle your admirers.
Wow. Hey, how much have you been snooping into my personal life?
You call it snooping. I'll call it a little background check. I like to, know when I don't have a competition.
You know, it's your audacity for me. Because what is this? Am I your little game? Oh, I see what's going on here.
Boss, I greet you, boss.
Yeah, what
How is that?
You're one of those that enjoy sleeping with older women. Is that your fantasy?
It is not a fantasy. I don't do fantasies. I go for what I want. I play the game the way it is. Your phone is ringing again.
Give me my phone.
Oh, Anita, your loud friend. I'm going to pick this.
Oh my God, Jesse Williams. I knew it. I told you it was fine in real life too. Jason, I swear I'm your biggest fan.
Oh,
Elena didn't tell you I've been crushing on you since forever.
No?
She literally told me yesterday that you...
So you're trying to say your friend has a crush on me and you didn't tell me?
Because she doesn't.
Well done now. We're almost ready.
Okay, just call me. Yeah.
At least I know your type now. You're the straight, fierce woman who keeps secrets. What if your friend is interested in me?
Because she's not interested in you. Can we please drop it? She's not interested in you.
She was just being nice, polite, because she's so celebrity.
Every time I close my eyes, now your picture I dey see for sky. No be juju, no be lie. Now true love they make me
This is
high.
like the 10th outfit you're tossing. Are you looking for something like, what exactly are you looking for? I beg.
I'm just looking for an outfit that doesn't look like I'm trying too hard.
Well, you don't have to try too hard now. It's not guest appearance. It's not a fashion audition.
Yeah, it's guest appearance. We'll figure that out later. Let's find something to eat.
Anyways, it's fine. I'll just head out and come back by 12.
No. You can't go.
Why?
Come, you can't go. We've not figured out what to wear. There's still a lot to do. You can't go. Still stay around.
Jason, are you trying to provoke me? Are you intentionally trying to piss me off? Because, what is this? I'm not a child. I don't have time for mind games. Jason, what do you want from me?
I want a date.
I don't do dates. I don't do dates. I look, I have real life situations, real life responsibilities. I am not some teenage girls that you can sweep away with compliments and candors. Okay, I have real life situations to face. I'm gonna ask you this question for the very last time. What do you want from me?
Honestly, I don't know. I'm sorry, just that after that night, I can't get my mind off you. Sorry.
From the moment I see your face, my heart just did do bim bim. Spirit, tell me say like
I quit. This is your iPad. I am done with this madness you call a job.
No.
Don't ever do that again.
Now you I see from my vision, no. Maybe your love, now my mission, no. If I see to love you this deep, then make I confess for your lips. Now you I see from my prophecy.
Anita, I lost my job. I lost my job.
Helena, what really happened?
Do you want to know the embarrassing truth?
Yes, talk to me.
The night I met Jason, I had no idea who he was. I didn't even know he was a celebrity or anything. I was drunk. It was my birthday, my 30th birthday, so I just thought to, go out, have a drink, and distract myself from how fucked up my life has been. Somehow I ended up with a stranger. I didn't even know when I brought him home. I tied him up. It's just stupid. Guess who the stranger was? Jason. It was Jason.
This is bad.
This is bad. This is very bad. Like, what was I thinking? I just wanted to have fun. I just wanted to get distracted. Imagine walking into your new job and your employer is the same guy you had a one-night stand with.
But you should have said something.
What was I supposed to say? I don't know. I just messed everything up.
It's okay.
I just ruined everything. The same job I have been praying for. You know how hard it was for me to get this job. You helped me. And now, just one night of carelessness, I've lost everything. No savings. No job. I'm back to square one. I can't even pay for this house. I don't have anything on me.
It's okay. Just calm down. Just on that job.
And the worst part is this guy would not stop talking about it. It was the mentioning the keys, the fact that I tied him up. It's just so embarrassing. And to make matters worse, it's a younger guy. Yeah. A younger guy.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. Elena, it's okay. Just calm down. Crying will not solve anything.
It's not okay.
Calm down.
What?
What happened?
I just got an alert of 500k. Jason sent me money.
Jason?
Jason, yeah, why is he sending me money?
Maybe it's for compensation. Or maybe he's trying to get your attention.
I'm not calling him.
You don't have to. You already got the money. At least something for you to hold on to. Stop crying now.
I need that shame won't wound me. I see this guy, shame won't wound me. Like how?
But it is Jason now. Jason, really? It's okay now. Look at your face.
What happened? How is it that your door is open? What if I were a reporter, a journalist, or some blogger?
Hello, mommy.
So let's start. What was that now? Just hello, mommy.
Mommy, what can I offer you? Coffee? What do you want?
Sweetheart, you are not behaving like a superstar that you are. You're being miserable. What is happening?
Mommy, I'm fine. I'm okay. Yeah.
What of Elena?
She took a day off, so...
And your phone? Because I've been calling all day. You don't pick?
I left it somewhere in the room because I needed to focus. Mom, see, I have 3 scripts to go. I've not even finished one.
Okay. You sure you're okay? Tell
Mom,
me if there's anything.
I am okay.
You sure?
What are you looking out for? There's no woman in this household.
I'm not saying there's any woman.
But that's what I know you.
Son, I am trying to just protect you. You understand? Because once your fans get to realize that you have anything going on with any woman, you are going to lose all your female fans. I mean, what is a man without female fans? So that is why I'm trying to protect you, okay? You have to understand that. And, you know, whatever you have with Karen, I need you to really, really, really keep it on the low. Seriously.
Wow.
Don't let anybody hear about it.
Mommy. Mommy.
What?
Sometimes you amuse me. Oh.
Do you think what I have with Karen is a relationship? Are you encouraging friends to benefit?
Why not? As a man, what if your male hormones actually need some, you know what I
Wow.
mean? What do you mean by wow? You are only 25. You are my son, too young to go and get married. Or are you expecting me to just allow you to go and get married at this age? You should focus on your career. You haven't even reached Hollywood.
Mommy. There's your favorite juice in the fridge. There's your food waiting for you.
Just leave me. Let me focus on the script. See, I still have 3 to go. Please.
Are you sure? You didn't
Mommy.
cook? Are you sure?
Come, not let someone focus. Since you want to stay,
Naughty superstar. Let me check what is in this your kitchen. This boy, oh.
I'm sitting in the hallway. Hey, I'm a little boring, but I'm the life of the party. I'm coming. Oh. Oh, Jesus. I'm sorry. Sorry. Justin Williams?
Yes, that's me. Can I come in?
Yes.
I'm here to see Elena.
Oh, okay. I'll go get her for you. Wake up, son of come now. Oh, see, Elena, wait. You will thank me 5 seconds. Just stand up now, please, my love. Come now. Elena, just come first. Stand up now. Come. You, scared, safe. Just come first. Come down.
What's going on?
Come. Come now.
Sleep now.
Sorry. Oh, yeah. Yes, sorry. Just come.
What are you doing here?
I came here for this.
And what is this?
This is the agreement you signed with my mom on getting the job.
Okay, what about it?
Clause 3B of this agreement says you have to notify 30 days ahead before quitting, in which you have to train your replacement. You broke that part of this agreement.
May I remind you that I was constantly being harassed by my boss. So I left. I mean, I had a real reason to.
I didn't harass you. I'm sure you know that. And you can't just quit.
Well, I just did.
All right. Be prepared to face a lawsuit.
God, I beg. Okay, let me ask you. On what ground are you suing me?
I'm suing you on the ground of sexual harassment.
Me?
Yes.
Harass as in how now? As how now?
For tying me up on your bed and kissing. Hey, gently, okay?
Follow me.
Hey.
Jason.
Yes?
What is this nonsense? A lawsuit, really?
Do you think I'm here for the contract?
So what are you doing here?
I'm here to tell you to get back to work.
Jason, is something wrong with you? What is going... Look, I have my life to figure out. I have bills. I have responsibilities. Look, I have real-life situations. I'm not caught out for your high school drama.
Elena, what did I do wrong? Tell me, what did I do wrong? All I ever did was tell you that I liked you. And you have every right to reject me, which you did. All I'm asking for you is to come back to work, that's all. Or are you scared you're going to fall for me?
Never. You wish. I'm not gonna fall in love with a guy younger than me. Jason, you're a child.
Hey, you need to stop calling me a child, okay?
Else what?
You say that again, and I will kiss you right here. Don't try me. I see your work.
From the moment I see your face, my heart just did do bing bing mo. Spirit, tell me say that this won't be your grace, no be play, no be dream mo. You walk out enter my world like fire. You melt my God, raise me higher. Even angel whisper from my ear, say our love go last forever, my dear.
I hope I am not intruding, Elena.
No, not at all, Ma. I'm glad to have you here.
Thank you. I passed through the market, so I brought you a little something.
Oh, thank you so much, Ma. That's
You're
very
welcome.
kind of you.
You're welcome. I came to talk to you woman to woman.
Okay. I hope there's no problem.
No, not a problem. You work with Jason closely now, and I believe that since you spend more time with him, you will notice things better than I do. I see he is a little bit strange, you know.
Strange?
Yes, a bit distracted, moodier, oddly cheerful. I mean, Jason doesn't do cheerful, so it got me suspicious. I think he might be seeing somebody.
No. Sorry, I mean, no. I don't think Jason is seeing anybody. At least none that I know of.
Are you sure?
Yes, very positive, Ma. He hasn't told me anything like that, so...
Okay, you see, the way Jason is, you know, when he falls in love, he is like a lost puppy. He is excited, very poetic, extra poetic. Ah, come on, I know what I'm talking about. I have seen him a few times in that situation.
I honestly don't know, Ma, because, you know, we don't discuss things like that. And I haven't seen him with any poems, so I'm very positive he's not seeing anyone.
Well, I trust you to be a very mature, sensible, and put together kind of person. And that is even one of the reasons I wanted you to work with him in the first place. I see you as someone who wouldn't mix duty with pleasure. Or am I wrong?
You're very correct, Ma. I would never do that.
Good. Okay, so in case you see anything or you notice anything, you should let me know. I'm not trying to invade his privacy or get into his private space, but I'm trying to protect my son from people and things that may not be good for his psyche. So if there's anything, would you let me know?
Of course, Ma. You have my word. I'll definitely let you know.
You sure?
Yes, Ma. Thank you so much, Ma, for coming around and for the gift.
You are welcome, don't mention. I'll take my leave now.
Okay, Ma.
Elena?
Yes, Ma.
Did you understand?
Yes.
You get me?
Very well, Ma.
All right then.
Have a good day. Anita. Anita. I did something stupid. Please don't judge me.
You ate the last piece of cake?
No, I made a bet with Jason.
What?
Yeah, he was getting on my last nerve. And he said if I don't fall in love with him in 6 months, he will back off. So I took the deal.
Girl, I see you falling in love with that guy.
I fall in love with... Come on, girl. Come on now. Be serious for real. You know that's not possible. It's not going to happen. Love, go.
Yeah, I cannot make that kind of bet. Ha! 24 hours if I don't really fall. Talk more. 6 months is too far.
And now you now. It's you, not me. Moreover, I'm not into boys. I like men.
Well, that guy is not a child. That guy moves like he has been here before. Have you seen the way he looks at you?
If Sunday born, I will shade your light. Together,
You know, I have work tomorrow, so I should go get ready, yeah.
Yeah, bro. Bro, listen to me. I made a bet. Yeah, it's about Elena. Yeah, I told her I was gonna make her fall in love with me, head over heels, within the next 6 months. She laughed and said, it's not possible. She even called me a boy. It's like, okay, let's see how it goes. I'll take a bet. And then... I think I don't like it. I like the fact that she's strong. I mean, it's a new challenge and I'm open to it. You know me, I don't lose. Winner. But please just keep this between us. I don't want her to know that it's, you know, there's more to it. I have plans. I have plans to make this bet work. I'm currently working on launching my fashion line. As I'm talking to you, I'm even sketching some things. If not for this, your call that is distracting me. I don't want to just wear the brand. Do you understand? I want to be the brand. That's why I'm doing this. I thought starting something on my own would, you know, last longer. There's more to this fame. You know that fashion is my blood. You know, it's something I was born with. I mean... Alright. I want to lose focus. I'm going to win the bet. Is that what you want to hear? I'll talk to you later, bro. Yeah. Jason, trying to focus.
This one you're rushing after work. Won't you eat something? I made breakfast.
Thank you, not now. I have to hurry because if I stay to eat, I'm going to be late and I don't want to be late. Thank you. All right, boo. Love you. Take care.
Wait, let me get the door. I'm coming, my love.
Are you expecting someone?
I don't know. Wow. Seems like someone got a package.
You have admirers now.
Mm-hmm. Me? Ha! I think it's from Jason. It says, "Beautiful Elena, have a beautiful day."
This guy is just a joke. Like, what is he thinking? Like, I'm one of those teenage girls you can just sway off with flowers?
Wait. I don't think this is from Jason.
Michael? Who the hell is Michael? I think it's for you.
No, I should be asking you. You're the one receiving gifts this early morning.
Girl, this is no Michael. This is Jason. There's nothing anyone would tell me to convince me otherwise. This is Jason. Please, help me trash that.
Are you sure? It smells nice. What are you staring at?
See ya, baby.
Wow. I think this triangle is going to be so juicy. Trash this.
You did make my body cool like breeze. Now only you think give me peace. Every time I close my eyes.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
You know you shouldn't have sent that money because you cannot buy me off.
I'm sure you're definitely worth more than that, so I wasn't trying to buy you off. Anyways, did you eat breakfast as instructed?
It's none of your business.
Eleanor Gregg, I ask you as your employer, did you eat breakfast?
No.
Why? For God's sake, the last time we were on set, you almost fainted out of hunger and exhaustion. What's your problem?
I am not your responsibility. And please, can you stop acting like I'm some baby?
If I have to tell you to eat, then what are you? You're a baby. Or let's say, my baby.
Yeah?
Yeah, you heard me.
So bless you, no wish.
Pardon me, I like to take care of babies. Especially the one I call my woman.
Why are you not dressed, sir? You're starting a new job today, remember?
I know. I just wanted to do, some light workouts. All right. You're coming with me, and that's final. No words, no excuses, no arguments. Final.
From the first day when I see your face.
Hat. This boy is trying my fishing. And finally, punch this guy in the face. God have mercy. You know I tried. So I just push him. Push him.
Every time I close my eyes, now your picture I didn't see for sky. No be juju, no be lie. Now true love they make me high. Now you I choose my baby, oh. I no go ever let you go. Even if I last show, our love goes still the grow. Now you I choose my sugar pie. You be the reason I did try. Till the day we touch the sky. Now you and me till we die. Your smile is shine past morning sun.
Hello, excuse me. So I'll just hold this too for you.
Is that good?
Now you done make my world right. Every time I close my eyes, now your picture I didn't see for sky. No big story, no be lie.
Stella, what is your problem? I've been waiting here for more than 15 minutes. Is this how you want to keep me waiting? What makeup are you doing? All right.
Director, you're not comfortable.
No, I'm okay with that. No, you have to be on this side. Yeah, I have to sit on the camera.
This camera,
Yeah,
yeah,
this
this
camera.
camera.
And your face.
How do you want
That
that?
just is, very angry, your face, come on, Yahoo, then you know that.
Sorry guys, let's do it again.
Yeah, take two.
Let's go.
We gon' make things right. Cause now you this sweet my life. Yeah, yeah. Now you I choose my lady, oh. Forever and ever, no go let you go. Now you I choose my sugar pie, your sugar pie. The reason I did try. Till the day we touch the sky. Now you and me till we die. If rain or fall, I go hold you tight.
You know you could have dropped me at home, right?
Yeah, I know.
So?
I wanted to show you something.
What is it?
You remember the charity function I told you about?
Yeah?
I want you to come with me.
No. I can't, there's no way I'm going with you. I can't go with you.
Okay, that's fine. I guess I would have to sue you.
Fine. I'll go.
I like the sound of that. Are you sure you'll go?
I just said I will go.
Okay, I'm coming. You can have your seat.
From the moment I see your face, my heart just did do bing bing.
Hey, have your seat.
I heard you.
This won't be your grace, no be play, no be dream. You walk out enter my world like fire. You melt my God, raise me higher. Even angel whisper from my ear, say our love go last forever, my dear. Now you I see from my vision, no. Baby, be your love, now my mission, no. If I see to love you this deep, then make I confess for your lips. Now you I see from a prophecy. Your body sweet past fantasy. Love when they hot like kerosene. Baby, come closer, make we see small. See small. See small.
What is that?
Sure.
Why are you buying me a dress?
Yeah, the charity function has a dress code.
A dress code for a charity event?
Yeah, because I don't want you going there looking like...
I have what to wear, thank you.
I know. I don't want you going there looking like old bins. Yeah. Can I tell you a very little secret?
What is it?
You know, I couldn't get my eyes off you all day.
I'll pick you up by 4:30 tomorrow. See you.
Oh my God. This guy is something else. Oh, look at this dress. I'm so falling in love. This is your date, Sha.
Anita, it's not a date. It's work.
Whatever. Me, I know once you wear this dress, you're gonna look so hot that you want to kiss you.
Oh. Eh. I beg you. That's my boss. Anita, please, when you're done, help me drop the dress. I need to take a nap. I am tired and I have work by 5 and it's almost 5.
Okay. Oh. Serious, madam. Let me leave you and your professionalism to nap. This is your dress, Sha. It's for you and I. Oh.
Please help me drop it, thank you.
It's there. I left it there for you.
Oh, perfect timing. I brought Karen for you as a +1 for the charity event.
Mom, I never told you I needed a +1. Plus, I'm good. Why do I need a date? You told me not to date.
Oh, because I discovered that a little controversies and rumors can actually make you remain relevant for long. Let people talk.
So, how do I look? Check me out.
Yeah, well, not bad, but I'm not interested in the event again.
Why? What do you mean?
Just heard me. I am not going again.
What happened?
Just like that?
Jason. Jason.
I don't understand, Mom.
Look how my girl.
What do you think?
Wow, baby, you're looking so beautiful.
You think so? Thank you.
But why does it seem you're going for a date?
Because it's not a date. It's just a function.
You see this look, and I need to take some pictures. So you have to give
Anita.
the most. Give me sense of me. Stay now.
Okay, hold on.
Okay. My God. Wow. Stay now. Ah. So fine.
I beg you don't do.
This girl safe. Just look at these pictures now. They not fine. See now.
Yeah, they are very beautiful. Come on now you snap them. It's very cute, thank you. Why is this guy not here?
Please let the guy take his sweet celebrity time now.
I want to call him.
Pictures are so fine. Wow.
He's not picking.
Just calm down. He's not 5 yet.
No, this is not nice now. He's not supposed to go late for his event. It's not good for his brand.
Okay.
What's wrong with him?
I don't know. I mean, 1 minute we were talking, and the next he's saying that he's no longer interested. What does that even mean?
You know, he has been behaving very strange lately.
Which one is no longer interested? What kind of behavior is that?
His behavior has been strange, especially since that Elena girl started working with him.
Elena girl. His manager?
His manager. Yes, he's been behaving funny since that manager started working with him. I've been noticing.
Then I think we should start from there.
I think you are right. That's where we'll start.
Oh my God.
Anita.
Elena, I'm sorry.
What are you doing here?
I'm sorry.
Just go. Jason, this is not the time. Go, please.
I know what I did is unforgivable. I mean, leaving a woman standing.
Just go. Wait. Why are you not at the event?
Some unexplainable reasons, but
What unexplainable reasons?
Elena, kiss me and I'll tell you.
Are you serious? Am I a joke to you? Get out of my house.
Elena, I want to ask you a question. How do you handle a difficult mom without being arrogant?
You had a fight with your mom?
This woman just wants to control my life. My career, who I talk to, every single thing, it's choking me.
Jason, I don't mean to pry into your private life, but I have noticed you don't talk about your father. I mean, it's okay if you don't want to talk about it.
No, it's not a big deal. I don't know who my dad is.
Oh.
My mom has never ever spoken about him. It's funny how my mom used to be very soft when I was growing up. But now it just feels like I'm seeing a stranger.
Jason, I feel like it's something that comes with mothers. And I'm very sure that everything she's doing is out of love. All you need to do is talk to her. You know, make her understand how you feel. Be very gentle but firm. Create boundaries. See, initially she's going to fight it, but with time she'll adjust. Okay?
Thank you so much, Alina. Thank you so much. I really needed to hear this. You don't know what this has done to me. Thank you.
It's okay.
If I may ask you, what bothers you? What are your challenges? I know you don't like flowers. I know you ignore texts. But yeah, tell me.
I actually do tests. Stop that. So, let's say being single at 30, working your ass off to, afford the basic things of life, having a mother who breathes down your neck every single second for grandkids, when you don't even have a stable toothbrush partner.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, you know what? I'm coming.
Where are you going?
I'm coming.
Wow.
Yes, wow. I don't have a stable toothbrush partner too, so cheers to both of us not having stable toothbrush partners. Here you go.
Thank you.
Cheers to not having stable toothbrush partners.
Wow. And a toast to not dating younger men. Thank you.
What was that supposed to mean?
We made a toast. This wine is nice.
I only get the best wine. I got this for you, especially. Just to say sorry.
You just had to brag. I hear you. What?
You know, there's this version of yourself that I'm falling in love with now.
What version of me, Jason?
Well, this bossy, a little messed up hair, straight face.
Jason, I'm trying to work. Thank you.
I'm sorry, am I making you lose focus?
Yes, you're distracting me. And I'm trying to focus. Thank you.
I'm trying to focus too. On your lips. I like how they move when you're serious.
You know what? I can't help you. You need professional help. At this junction, I can know. You need help.
The professional help is just sitting next to me looking like a dream come true. Huh? Can I ask you a question?
Can you stop?
Can I ask you a question? Just one.
What is it?
Do you always look this sexy when you're being bossy, authoritative?
Jason, you're doing this again.
What am I doing?
Shamelessly flirting with your employee.
Alright, I'm sorry.
You know, I can't work like this. No, I can't. I think I'm hungry. So I'll just go fix a plate of noodles for myself. Do you want some?
No, stay out. Do that for you.
So you burn down the house?
Not you walk while I do that. That's a little thing to
Jason,
do.
can you even boil water?
Wait for it. Noodles? Just noodles. Last card.
As how now? So, you know, I know you've been cheating. Because this is not ordinary. Like,
Is this all I get? Why are you accusing me? After giving you emotional support and...
so that's enough to clear your cheat, Abby?
Last card. Play. Oh, check up. This is how many now? 7-1. So,
You know you cheated, Abby?
hold on, wait. So this is your punishment. Say it.
Say what?
Say, Jason, you are the king of cards and you are the owner of my soul.
Okay. Jason? Jason, you are the biggest clown. See, for your mind.
I wasn't expecting that.
I'm the only owner of my soul.
But you know, honestly, I needed all of this.
What? The pizza?
Yeah, the pizza, the cards, the vibe, the house, you. You know, you're peaceful. You look like peace.
Stop saying things like that. It's confusing.
Is it? I guess I know why you don't believe I like you.
Why?
Because if you do, you start falling for me, and you're scared of that. Am I right?
Jason, you're very, very wrong.
Are you sure?
Jason, stop.
Stop me. Hey. Stop me.
Elena! I will follow my key.
I should get the door.
Almost.
Jason, what are you doing here?
I'm just trying to get comfortable, okay?
But you're supposed to use the couch. You're not supposed to be in my bed.
I know, but the couch kind of gives me back pain.
So I should call you an ambulance now?
Really?
Jason, you can't be here. Just...
Fine. I promise you I'm not going to touch you. Except you have plans to touch me.
Excuse you?
Just saying. Really? Are you really forming a pillow war?
Yes, please. Respect the boundary.
Wow. Okay, fine. But then can we make this a little fun? Truth or dare?
Jason, I'm not interested.
If you don't answer, you get to remove something on your body. Truth or dare?
I just said I'm not interested.
If you're not interested, you take something off your body. Truth or dare?
Fine. But I'll go first.
Okay, ladies first.
If you were not an actor, what other career would you have chosen?
I probably would have been a writer. Yeah.
Okay.
My turn.
Yeah, your turn.
Okay. If you were the same age with me, would you have dated me? I demand an answer.
Yes.
Which means I'm your type.
Whatever that means. So my turn.
Okay.
Just now you dating Karen?
No. We dated, but long ago. Not anymore. Hey, are you jealous? Are you always jealous when you see me with her?
Hell no.
Confess, are you jealous? It's simple. You know what, Elena? How about you look me in the eye right now and tell me you don't feel the same way I feel for you? I mean, I see how your heart beats. I see how you behave when I touch you, when I hold you and speak to you. I already told you I, like you. And you turned me down, which is okay. You stood your ground. But I want you, this very moment, tell me you don't feel the same way I feel for you.
I can't do this. Not like this. And oh, you know what? I'll take the couch.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You've been quiet all morning. He's gone, right?
I left for Abuja this morning.
So, are you okay?
Anita, I'm not okay. He kissed me, and I kissed him back, and it felt so good. I didn't want to stop. Anita, this is crazy.
It's not crazy. You like it, right?
He's a younger guy. Jason is very reckless, but he doesn't hide the fact that he wants me.
And you like it?
No. Fine, yes, a little. But I keep hearing his mother's voice in my head, screaming down my throat to leave his son alone, calling me old. This is crazy. I don't even know what I'm doing.
I know. It's not crazy. This guy sees you for you. He makes you laugh. Not Elena, the manager, the planner, or the girl that has her guard up. He sees you for you.
He said I'm his type.
And is your type.
Chat. Oh my God. This boy will be the end of me.
Well, you don't have to push away something good just because it came in a younger skin or troublemaker vibes.
Troublemaker vibes?
The one that makes you blush like a teenager.
I need to leave my room. We're done.
Or you'll be the one to save you from this boring life that you believe in.
Leave my room.
Okay, I'm sorry. Just enjoy your tea. And
Oh my
stop
God, I don't know.
thinking about this boy.
I'm having butterflies in my belly.
Oh God.
God save me, oh. I don't know what I'm doing, I swear.
Oh God. Elena, why are you not picking? Why? Elena, just speak.
Ah, God. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I? This is so wrong. He's a child. I'm older than him. This is so wrong, but it feels right. I'm coming. Who's there? Good afternoon, Ma. I didn't know you were coming.
Good afternoon. You still have the nerve to greet me?
Ma, did I do something?
I will not beat about the bush. Leave my son alone.
Ma, please, what is this about?
Whatever rubbish both of you have got going or doing, you must let it go. Do you understand? It has to stop now. Just imagine. You that claim to be a responsible woman, a career woman, a mature woman. You are sleeping with a young kid that is young enough to call you auntie? Oh, please.
Ma, you're being really disrespectful.
That is so sweet coming from that your mouth. I have suffered for my son. I have suffered with my son for years. And I got him to be in that position where he is today. And you think you can just come from nowhere and snatch his future and I will sit back and watch you? Oh, you have got it coming. And I will give it to you. I thought you are a responsible woman. Responsible. My foot. Do not try me.
Yeah, who's that? I'm coming.
How are you even real?
Why are you staring at me?
Because I can't believe you're lying next to me in bed. And it feels like I just won a lottery.
Please stop.
You know, you are the most beautiful thing I've seen all day.
Okay, I know you flatter me.
Not let me say it. You still look very beautiful even when you pretend to be shy.
And you look like trouble.
The kind of trouble you don't mind waking up to every day. Hey. You know, you smell like vanilla and sin. Babe, are you sure you're not trying to kill me?
It's so delusional. Please stop flattering me.
Hey, I'm not flattering you. Come here.
You think I can resist you? You think you're irresistible and I can resist you?
I know you can. But I know you won't do that to me. Do you even know what I would do to freeze time right now?
Maybe you tell me. A whole movie contract?
I would give up my name. Every single thing in my name. The fame. Even the damn blue check.
Please don't say things you don't mean.
Elena. Look at me. I mean every single thing I'm saying right now.
I'm coming.
Where is she? Where is she?
Good afternoon to you too, ma. Who exactly are we looking for?
Don't you play smart with me, girl. I'm talking about the old hag you inhabit here with. Where is she?
Oh. You mean the self-made, matured lady your son is head over heels in love with?
Head over heels in cursed with, you mean? I brought my son up better than that, and I think he is being manipulated.
Manipulated? No, ma. Your son is old enough to make decisions and mistakes on his own. But Elena is not the mistake. The mistake is you trying to control a grown man like he's 5 years old.
You better watch your mouth, young lady.
You watch it. You come into our house trying to insult a lady who has done nothing but to love your son. No, ma, wait. Next time you come into our house, please knock respectfully. Not everyone is raised to receive insults like it's food. Please leave our house. Thank you. Thank you. I think it's Elena that is here. Don't make me forget where I did not safe.
I thought this journey was...
Oh, jeez. Oh. How do I get to do this?
What are you doing? Don't spoil my shoe. Just simple. Thank you.
Okay. Come here, baby. I need to recharge.
Oh, big. I say you're worse than my charger because every single time you're overheating.
Why would you say something like that?
Because it's true.
Hey, come. Let me tell you something.
Uh,
So I want you all to myself. No calls. No distractions. No side guys. Just you and me in this house, all alone. You know, breakfast in bed, lock you up with plenty kisses.
Wait though. If my brain is processing correctly, this sounds like a beginning of a kidnap story.
Yeah, you're
Are
right.
you trying to kidnap me?
If kidnapping you into loving me is what works for me,
Please go away.
then yeah, I'll do it.
Oh, please go. You're dangerously cute.
Speaking of dangerous, have you seen yourself? Do you know how hard it was for me to behave in the hotel?
That's not very correct because if I remember, you did not exactly behave yourself.
Oh.
Well, it's no problem. It's not a problem because I like this needy, clingy, and a little obsessed Jason.
Little?
Yeah. Okay, let me rephrase. I love my very obsessed Jason. And for the record, I want you all to myself too. So you better don't go around smiling to every girl. And including that you're PR girl, please stay the hell away from Karen. And I'm serious. I'm serious. The threats. Thank you.
Someone is jealous. I kind of like it.
I don't like it when I'm jealous because it's dangerous. Please, I have to, you're very, very distracting. I have to go make tea and take my shower
Hey,
and be useful.
come back.
Oh, God.
Come back here.
What can I do for you?
I'm gonna follow you to that shower. Run water through you. Just so you remember who you belong to.
Are you trying to sleep
Come
with
here.
me? Ew.
Come here.
I'm not interested in seeing your nakedness. Come on, ew. Bye.
Oh, God.
Are you coming though?
Yes, I'm coming. Someone is not even watching a movie.
Because someone won't stop touching my hair.
Hey, baby, you know I love you, right?
Why do you keep throwing this word around like it's nothing?
Come on. It's something, especially with you. You know?
You're just cute.
Won't you tell me you love me too?
Of course you know I love you too.
And who the hell is that by this time?
Expecting anyone?
No? I'm coming.
Okay.
Elena? What are you doing here?
This is confirmed. Oh, Jason, you mean you have been here with her?
Mom, Karen, whatever brought you guys here by this time, this is not the time for this drama, okay? I need you to leave.
Jason, seriously? Her? I mean, she's old.
Exactly. Did she give you something to eat? Are you normal? Are you trying to ruin your reputation?
I'm not ruining anything. I'm only building something real with her. Yes.
Not on my watch. Build what? With who?
Mom, leave.
You're asking us.
Go, leave now.
You are even pushing us out.
I said go.
You are pushing us out.
Go.
You will regret this. You will regret. Let's go, Karen. You will see. You will regret it. Let's go.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Good morning, trouble.
Good morning, temptation.
Oh. You were drooling over my chest last night.
That's a lie, stop.
It's a compliment.
It doesn't sound like one.
It means you slept well.
You know, you're just really, really cute. There you go. What video?
So, hi guys. This is Karen here. I never thought I would be this girl. The one dragged, humiliated and betrayed in front of the whole world, but here I am. I didn't want to say anything before because I believed in protecting Jason. But what Elena did was not just planned, it was calculated. She's older than him. And she manipulated him. She's twice his age, guys. She's older. She used it to get close to him, guys. She was supposed to be his manager. She was supposed to protect his career. She isolated him and took him away from his friends, from his family, from everyone close to him, guys. His own mother tried to speak to him, but Jason he's completely under her spell. That's not normal love, guys. There's something darker. I kept quiet when she started managing him, and suddenly he changed. He wasn't himself anymore. He wasn't thinking straight. Then she started living in his house, and I knew something wasn't right. Because you just don't go from dating someone your age to sleeping with your manager. I'm not angry, and I'm not bitter. I just want the truth to be out there. And I want the whole world to know this. This isn't love, this is control. And I'm carrying his child. I'm carrying his child. Guys, I'm so pained. I don't know what to do anymore. I will not be silenced. Please stop celebrating wickedness. Jason is not a villain. He's a victim too, guys. He is. The manager is just wicked. She's wicked.
I'm going to take this video down. I'm calling my PR team now.
Hello? Please, I need this video gone now. Okay, I don't know how you want to do it. Copyright issue, lay claims, false accusations. I need this video gone now.
Babe.
Did you sleep with Carrie?
Elena.
Oh my God.
Oh God. It was months ago, okay? It was before now, it was before us. What I have with Karen doesn't even exist anymore.
Oh,
Elena. Oh God, what is going on? What?
Everything is ruined.
Elena, please do not let Karen ruin what we're building.
So there's a possibility that the pregnancy belongs to you?
Oh God.
Oh my God.
Elena, I can explain.
Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my
I'm
God,
sorry.
oh my God, everything is ruined, everything is ruined. Do it. I didn't do it! I didn't do it! Oh my God, I did not do it!
Oh, no. I didn't stop doing this now. It's okay. Stop. It's okay.
I didn't do it.
I know you didn't do it. I
The
know.
mommies are so hurtful. They say they want me to die.
No, you're not going to die.
Why are they so mean? What did I do?
It's okay. You didn't do anything.
They want to destroy me.
They cannot destroy you. Just calm down, okay? Why are you reading this? Why are you reading this now?
I didn't do anything wrong. I really loved him.
And he loves you too. Don't let them drown you in hate. It's okay. Don't worry, come here. Okay.
What have I done?
What the hell is going on with my life right now? Tell me, what the hell is going on with my life right now? My DM is a war zone. Check it. I'm even scared to open it. My contract with Paragon Films, gone. The billboard shoot we're supposed to have next week, cancelled. Everybody's just saying I'm not a safe image anymore. What's the meaning of this nonsense? What do we do?
We breathe, then we think.
Please, Fred. Do not give me that therapy voice right now. I don't need that stupid therapy voice right now. I'm not breathing, I'm choking. I'm choking, don't you understand?
But she's trending. People are crying for her. She's a heartbroken woman carrying her ex's baby. What do you expect? You are the one. You are the actor bewitched by that old lady.
Hey, Fred, stop it. Stop it. She's not old, she's not desperate, okay? She's the only one who ever made me feel like I mattered. And now she's going through all of this because of me.
Jason, I know you're hurting. But it's a word against yours. Even if you hold a press conference now, nobody will believe you.
Why?
Because she's pregnant for you. I know it's all lies, but you can't do anything about it.
See, Karen happened long ago before I even met Elena. All of this is a lie, bro. It's a lie. What?
Look. And when the boss says,
This one even says I'm too controversial for their brand.
So all of this is a lie. Karen happened long ago before Elena. This thing is a setup.
Jason, even your mom is not helping either. Your mom went on live this morning on Facebook, quoting and crying. And the video is almost 200K and still counting.
I know my mom is behind all of this. I'm sure. Because Karen doesn't have the guts to do this alone. My mom is backing her up. I'm sure. What do we do now?
See, listen. There's nothing you can do about it, okay? First of all, call on the phone, meet with her, try to take off the video. Do something.
I should apologize for a lie.
I'm not saying you should apologize. I'm saying that you both should meet and you should try as possible to take the video out of her phone.
I'm not selling my soul for peace, if that's what you're thinking. I'm not doing that. What do we do? Bro, I'm losing myself. What do we do? I've lost Elena. I'm losing brand. I'm losing deals.
Come on. Come on, Jason. Come on. It's okay. We'll work on it. Okay?
Do something.
We'll work on it. Come on.
Elena, even if you don't want to talk to me, just come out, just 5 minutes. Let me explain something to you. See, I didn't even know she did all of, oh God. I didn't know she was pregnant.
Please leave. I don't want to talk to you. Leave. Just go.
Elena, please. Elena!
You've ruined my career. You've ruined my reputation.
What do you want?
I'm saying the truth. Do you want me to lie that I'm not pregnant?
For God's sake, you're damaging my career, my life.
At least you have someone who is even trying to revive that reputation of yours that is already in the mud. I would rather have the world call you a cheat than watch you go marry that old witch.
Mom, did you just call Elena an old witch?
That's who she is.
I mean, for God's sake, that's the only woman who ever made me feel seen. Mom, you said you were always going to protect me from controversies. What exactly are you protecting me from now?
I am protecting you from her. I am protecting you from that old woman, that old manipulative woman whom you are so carried away that I am even wondering if you have eaten some charm from her soup.
Karen.
What?
In the name of God, please delete that video now.
You're stressing me. Hey, and I'm carrying a child. Listen, do you want me to go live now? Unless your fans hear you scream at a pregnant woman.
For God's sake, you keep playing this victim card. I'm tired.
And it's working, isn't it?
Dude, bro, let's breathe. All right? We can smart this. Whether you accept it or not, she's pregnant for you. She's carrying your baby. And there's nothing you can do about it.
Exactly. Someone who loves you. Right? Marry Karen. If you marry Karen, your fans will now know that you have come back to your senses and your name will be cleaned. End of story. What else do you want?
Mom, I want you to read my lips. N-O. No! I will not marry someone I don't love. I will not do that. And you? How am I sure this baby is mine?
How dare you? How dare you?
Because I know you and I know your past.
So after everything, you're questioning my pregnancy?
Yes, I am.
How could you?
Jay, and it's hard for me too. But there's nothing we can do. She has already won the public opinion. And this is the best way for you because I don't know, Becky.
Hey. Hold it there. What did I say? Hold it there. Let it be the last time you will speak about this. I am not marrying you, and that's final. Mom, I am not in support of this. I am not the owner of that child.
Jason, you won't listen to your friend as well.
Jason!
You won't listen to me, you won't listen to your friend.
Jason!
You see, your friend. You went so far. Let me bring this car.
Helena, what's going on? Why can't I find your account?
I deleted all my social media accounts.
Wait, are you kidding me? Oh, okay, you want to disappear and allow that girl win, Abby?
Anita, what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Fight that girl? I'm 30. I can't be fighting over a man.
That girl's dragging you on the internet and you're sitting like a relic from the 90s.
So you expect me to go to Instagram and banter words with her? Exchange curses? Is that what you want me to do?
So you're saying Jason is not worth fighting for?
Anita, no man is worth fighting for. Not even Jason.
Well, now you know deleting your accounts will not solve anything or stop the rumors.
I don't care. I just want my peace. I've chosen my peace. I've deleted my account. I just want to be, okay? If anybody has anything to say, they should come to my house and say it.
Elena, you need to show these Gen Zs how we millennials do it too. Because this won't solve anything at all.
This is all my fault. I walked into this madness with my eyes open. What was I thinking?
You want to start again, Abby? Okay.
Jason, this is the only way out. Just do the right thing, okay?
I told you, Jason. I mean, this was always meant to be you and I, perfect.
Take.
What is this? I mean, no cameras, no pictures, no flowers. Wait, you think I'm going to accept this like some beggar off the street? This proposal is too cold, Mama. I mean, he's not even smiling. Is this a punishment or what?
Yes, it is a punishment. Yes. How come you're forcing me to marry you because of one stupid manipulation, stupid lies? You expect me to be happy and be smiling, right? See, when you're ready for your Instagram worthy proposal with backdrop, press people, camera, light action, let me know.
Jason! Mom! He didn't even kneel down.
Babe, we need to see this.
Kelly, if it's one of those hate comments, I'm not interested. I'm busy.
It's Karen and Jason.
Okay. Congratulations to them.
Babe, this guy is clearly miserable.
I don't care. He made his choice, so we should live with it. Who's that? You're not expecting anyone. If it's Karen and one of his crazy fans, I swear to God, I'm going to murder someone. Who is there? Jason! Just help me. Jason, what are you doing here?
Elena.
You're drunk. Why are you drunk?
Elena, my life is miserable. Elena, can't you see? My life is miserable. I proposed, yes, I know. But because friends, family, my mom said it was going to redeem my image, so I had to do it.
Jason, can you stop? Jason, you're not supposed to be here. You're engaged.
Elena, I miss you. You're the only one who gives a damn about me. Do you want me to live my life with someone I don't love? Do you want me to spend the rest of my life in a miserable position? Elena, you're the only one who didn't care about my status or who I am in the society. You just loved me for who I am. Elena, please, how long would I continue like this? Elena, it's... Oh God. Elena, I don't love her. I don't love Karen, for God's sake. You wanna watch me live a miserable life?
Well, that's how millennials do it.
Exactly. We do it with class and elegance.
You see, it's already turning in your favor. They're already telling that stupid girl to bring evidence to back up her nonsense. And the bloggers are summing up too.
Wow. I have to go back to social media then.
You need to. And guess what? You see that video of Jason pouring out his heart to you? I posted it.
Wait, you were recording the entire time?
You thought I was standing there watching your emotional breakdown? My love, that video did a lot.
You know you're crazy, right? You're a crazy ass bitch.
A little bit of Gen Z craziness. That's it. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my love. Well, a toast to the comeback.
A toast to beautiful friendship. To money. Long life. Prosperity. Love. And everything beautiful life can afford.
And celebrity.
And to my baby, Jason.
Congratulations, my love.
Thanks,
I'm
baby.
so happy for you.
I'm happy for me.
So no more is a child. You still start.
Please don't call my man a child. Thank
Sorry.
you. Don't be disrespectful.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah, hello everyone. I know there's been a lot of buzz lately, about I and Elena's relationship. But I think it's time to let the world know the truth. No gossips, no blogs, no anonymous messages. Just the truth from the horse's mouth, unfiltered.
None of this was planned. I never planned on falling in love with him. Life just happened. Life led me here. However, what I never expected was how the world would care so much about the numbers on our birth certificate. As if love is less valid because of, our age difference.
As you guys know, I am younger than Elena here. But the age didn't raise me. The age didn't teach me how to, love deeply. She did. She taught me how to, what love is all about.
And you constantly remind me that I'm worthy of love. That I deserve to be loved regardless of what the world thinks.
I love this woman with every single thing in me. And I would not watch the world shame us for what we've been building or what we have built so far. And for this reason, I want this moment to count.
Oh my God.
Elena Greg, you came into my life and every single thing changed. Not because my life needed fixing, but you reminded me of what it means to be whole. You have shown me what love is, unfiltered, raw, in its finest form. I don't want a life where I get to pretend in front of the cameras, pretend to be happy. I want a world just me and you. And for this reason, would you do it?
Yes. Yes to anything you say. Yes, yes, yes. I will do you the honor.
Okay.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
I love you.
This is beautiful.
Now you I choose my
So
baby,
much.
I no go ever let you go. Even if I lash show, our love goes still the go. Now you I choose my sugar pie. You be the reason I did try. Till the day we touch.
See the comments.
This is so cute. My baby's engaged. That's how you clear a room on with class, truth, and a diamond ring. Period. Wow. Look at the comments. Class chaser 101. So you pinned the pregnancy on him. Girl, even your 500k followers cannot save you from this PR grave.
Well, cheers to the comeback queen. Long live Justin and Elena. Cheers. So I'm going to plan a wedding. Oh my God.
See small. You dey move like sugar for tea. Every step you take, they sweet me. Your smile, they